added convenience and peace of mind. That's what our owners enjoy every drive, thanks to our Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology. Like a second pair of eyes for the road ahead, EyeSight is a set of 4 technologies that warns you when there's potential danger and can even apply brakes to help you avoid it. Pre-collision throttle management can help avoid accidentally accelerating into something ahead. Suppose that a driver is stopped behind another car waiting to merge onto a busy highway and looking for a space in traffic. With EyeSight, if the Subaru driver starts to accelerate, thinking the car ahead is already gone, the system can spot the danger and dramatically reduce the throttle to limit the car's acceleration. At the same time, it lights up a warning on the dash and sounds an alarm to alert the driver to the vehicle ahead. EyeSight can significantly cut the throttle, which will allow the driver more time to see the problem and stop the vehicle. How well does EyeSight work in the real world? When the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tested front crash prevention, Subaru models with EyeSight got the highest possible score, not Toyota or Ford or any other brand. Subaru EyeSight, an extra set of eyes every time you drive.